Assalamu alaikum guys. Today I will teach you how to make a program to check whether the number is negative, positive or zero. First of all, we will take an input x is equal to, and then it's an integer, so we write in input in inverted commas, enter your number. Now we will have to make a logic that if the number is greater than 0, it must be positive. Then it will print positive number. So we write if the number is greater than 0, then print positive. It's positive and positive number. Now, now, oh sorry. Now we will make another condition which will come as elif x. Now if the number is less than 0, it must be negative. Then if the number is less than 0, then print negative number. Now the number, if the number is greater than 0, it must be positive. If the number is less than 0, it must be negative. Or another condition is that if the number is 0 or if the number is inappropriate, then make a condition else print number integer is 0. Now run this program. That's fine. Now it will take. Now I enter your number. I will enter 4, nothing negative. Now I will write minus 8, negative number. Now I will write 0, and to write enter number, all number integer is 0. That's it. Now guys, this is the program how to check whether number is negative or positive. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.